Hello children, myself Sangeeta Jadhav from Gokhale Education Society, JDC Bitco, English Medium High School, Nasik Road. Children, we have finished lesson number 18. That means the name of the lesson was Wits in the Garden. Then we have finished lesson number 19, that was activity, be a good host and guest. In this activity, I have told you to only read the lesson and write page number 50, 2 eyes or 3 eyes in the classwork book. Then, lesson number 20, it is a poem and I have given you the composition My Mother. It's very easy and very interesting and loving poem. That name of the poem is Only One Mother. So you can write many things on your mother because everybody loves their mother. So the name of the poet who wrote this poem was George Cooper. George Cooper was an American poet. He have written many poems of mother loving, and this is also one of the interesting poem, Only One Mother. Children, everybody likes their mother. So the poet also like his mother. So he have expressed his views on his mother. He have compared mother with giving many examples, because in the world there is only one loving thing is mother and your father. So nobody takes the place of mother. So children, I will first read the poem, Only One Mother. 100 of stars in the pretty sky, 100 of shells on the shore together, 100 of birds that go singing by, 100 of lamps in the sunny weather, 100 of dewdrops to greet the dawn, 100 of bees in the purple clover, 100 of butterflies, 100 of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother the wide world over. So children, can you understood at least few things when I read the poem? The poet has given many examples to compare the mother. First of all, he told that 100 of stars in the pretty sky. The meaning of this that he says that in the sky there are many stars. Many stars, 100 of stars. You cannot count also in the night time. And they look very pretty in the night. The stars, they twinkle in the sky in the night. But we cannot count hundreds of them. Second example, he has given 100 of shells on the shore together. On the shore, seashore, there are many shells floating on the shore. So we also can't count the shells. Thirdly, he says that there are 100 of birds that go singing by. In the sky, 100 of birds just go by singing. See the view of the George Cooper. He has told very nicely about giving many examples. Then 100 of lamps in the sunny weather. He says that there are many lamps, the goat, the babies, they are having lamps. They go on the sunny weather in the morning. 100 of dewdrops to greet down. Early in the morning, at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, the dewdrops that comes on the ground and they look like a twinkling stars, white color. So says that poet, 100 of dewdrops to greet the dawn, 100 of bees in the purple clover. The poet says that the honey bees, it looks so nice like a purple color flower. 100 of butterflies on the lawn. And there are many butterflies that flies in the garden on the flowers. But, my dear children, but only one mother, the wide world over. But we have only one mother all over the world. Nobody can take the place of the mother. So children, it's very easy. Read the book of Sane Guruji's Shamchai. You will understand what is the importance of the mother in our life. So listen now. We have completed the poem because it's very easy. Now the questions are there related on the poem. Question number 1, make a list of rhyming words in the poem. So underline in your text the list of the rhyming words. First, stars, birds, sky, by. Then again I am repeating, stars, birds, sky, by, shells, lamb, then bees also, clover, over, enough. Then write some more expression like 100 of, then you can write, the poet has given one example, 100 of children in the school, you can write by yourself, 100 of benches in my school, 100 of birds flying in the sky. You can write many examples. You can write from the book also, because there are many examples. You can write from the book also, 100 of stars, 100 of birds, 100 of dewdrops. You can write anything. Question number 3, answer the following questions. What examples of plentiful things does the poet give? What examples of plentiful things does the poet give? The examples of plentiful things does the poet give is first one, stars, then second one, stars, shells, third one, birds, then fourth one, lamb, fifth one, dewdrops, sixth one, bees, then butterflies. These are the examples. There are plentiful. Then why does the poet say that the dewdrops greet the down? Why does the poet say that the dewdrops greet the down? The poet says that the dewdrops greet down because early in the morning the moisture in the air settles on the leaves or plants in the form of water drop, known as dewdrop. As this happens before the sun rises, it seems as if the dewdrops are getting on the down. Third, do you agree with the poet's thought? Yes. Why? That you write by yourself. Your imagination, your own answer. Then fourth one, write a letter to any one of the following to tell how much you appreciate that. So instead of letter, you can write your mother, 10 lines on your mother, your teacher, 10 lines, your father, or any one of your relatives. So for your exam, for your homework, write all these answers in the homework book. Read the poem 3 times, recite the poem, and learn the poem. Thank you.